Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Presenting to you all the unboxing of Oneplus Nord. The packing of the Nord has come up with extreme premiumship. This way Nord. The phone is the 12GB variant. It has 256GB memory and the main camera is 48 megapixels. Keeping this aside for a long, we look in what's there in the box. Firstly, we have the case cover, which is the transparent one, which is actually pretty good. And then we look into what's there inside this. We have the Nord stickers, the quick start guide, safety information, and we've got the Red Cable Club card and the SAR value card. Okay, now the charger, 30-watt WAP charger, and the signature red cable. So here it is. Let's get a hands on the device. Okay, it's pretty good. We'll boot it up. OnePlus powered by Android. So yeah, you can see the phone how it looks. Yeah, I installed all the apps which I want. I can show you the details of the phone. Yeah, Snapdragon 656G, 12GB RAM with 256GB memory. Yeah, you can see the camera specifications and the display 90Hz, which makes it even more smooth. The home is really smooth when you click from the below, and I can show you a few gestures. Yeah, so this is for the apps thing, and you can switch between apps like this. It's pretty cool. Now this is how the gaming looks. It has a really good AMOLED display and it's perfect for movies. And the speaker is really good. This is for the graphics. I don't play PUBG, so yeah. Now we'll have the camera review of the phone. Yeah, as you can see, the main camera has the 48 megapixel Sony camera, which is supported with 8, 5 and 2 megapixel other cameras for depth sensor and other features. You have a portrait mode, which is very clear. You can't see it like this, but yeah, I'll send you the photos how they look.